This is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I'm going to show you how to do the Thomas test to assess and/or stretch your hip flexors. This helps with low back and hip pain. Goodness, Nova, what's up? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, everybody knows to like, follow, and subscribe. Who doesn't want to power their healing? For this, you need a firmer surface off the ground. I will be using the massage table. You can use your bed if it isn't too soft. Sit towards the edge of the massage table. Grab your right leg just below the knee as you bring that leg to your chest. Roll back while holding your right leg and let your left leg stay dropped over the edge of the massage table. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. A healthy hip flexor will easily be able to lengthen and let your legs stay relaxed off the edge. If your hip flexors are contractured or adhered, i.e. too tight, your left leg will move up with you and look something like this. It's super easy to cheat with this. The most common way is arching your back like this. To fix that, all you need to do is add a rolled hand towel or a little pillow to your lower back. If you have to do that, it's a positive sign that your hip flexors are mad. To turn this into a stretch, just do the move 3 times, holding for 15 to 30 seconds for both sides. If you have a partner, they can apply gentle pressure to the thigh by your knee, not on the knee, just to be clear. And you're not leaning with all of your body weight on their leg, just a little bit. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.